Dex brings you tile aluminum Dektite, the flash designed to waterproof tile roofs where a pipe of any diameter must go through the roof. One of the advantages of tile aluminum Dektite, like all the other Dex products, is that it requires few tools for its installation: tinsmith scissors, a sand hammer, and a marker. The first step is to remove the tile where the pipe will pass through, to determine the diameter of the pipe being used to determine the hole size to be cut in the flash. Once the diameter is established, proceed to cut the cone with the scissors. Once cut, slide it down the pipe until it is in contact with the tile. You may apply water for better sliding. Please don't use solvents or lubricants. Position the aluminum apron and place it under the upper tile, curving it to avoid water return. At the low side of the apron, draw a mark with a marker and cut 2 tabs at each side of the tile aluminum Dektite, which will be folded back below the tile. With the sand hammer, make the aluminum apron follow the profile of the tile and then bend the tab under the tile. Push firmly the base against the surface. Shape it to follow the profile of the tile surface with the sand hammer to assure draining. Put tiles back on their original position. You have completed the installation. You can now observe how the water flows around the tile aluminum Dektite, with not a drop of water leaking through. Tile aluminum Dektite is a product easy to install, can be painted with acrylic painting, and holds a 20-year warranty. Contact your nearest authorized distributor to source what you need. There is a product for all kinds of applications.